In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Charles Schwab referral code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to expect, and how to share or use a referral the right way. First, a quick reality check. You don't really find a Charles Schwab referral code inside your account unless you already have a Schwab account and want to refer someone else. So think about which situation you're in, because there are only two. If you're brand new to Schwab and you want a referral code, you won't have one yet. New users are not automatically assigned referral codes. Instead, you'll need to get a code from a friend who already has a Schwab account or use a referral link that someone shares with you. That's it. There isn't a public list of codes for new users, and you won't see a code in a brand new account. When someone shares a link with you, it will track the referral for your sign up. As a tip, use links or codes from sources you trust, and make sure the link clearly points to an official Schwab page before you proceed. Now, if you already have a Schwab account and you want to find your own referral code to share, the desktop site is the easiest place to do it. Log in to schwab.com using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for the support menu and choose Refer a Friend. You can also go directly to the Refer a Friend page inside your profile if you prefer navigating that way. On that page, you'll see your unique referral link and in many cases a simple code, often formatted like refer followed by a series of characters. That's the information you can copy and share with others. Send the link or the code to friends or family who are thinking of opening a Schwab account, and they can sign up through that referral. Here's what the referral typically provides. New users can earn up to a $1,000 bonus, depending on how much they deposit after opening an account, and as the person referring them, you may also receive a reward. The exact bonus tiers, eligible account types, and timelines can change, so it's always a good idea to read the fine print on the Refer a Friend page before you share or sign up. To recap, new users need a friend's code or link, while existing customers can grab their own link or code by logging in on desktop and heading to support, then refer a friend. Follow those simple paths and you'll be set to share or use a Schwab referral with confidence.